So, I got up this morning and came to the kitchen, and this is who I found on our fence. This is Eric. He's one of our local hawks in the neighborhood, and because he's looking for some breakfast. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. Eric! Hey! Let me see your eye. He's looking for some breakfast. Just sitting there. All the other birds are terrified of him, of course. Understandably so. What you looking for, huh? You looking for some breakfast? You're a good boy. Oh wow. A hawk just flew, or a duck just flew over, and Eric just saw him. As you might have seen, he just watched him. I don't know what he's looking for. He's like not going after anything right now. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.